Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane.
Well, this is where the club is, as you can see. Oh, look at where all the birds are chilling at. These friggin' whoremongers. They ate all my food.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Alright. We made it. Here's the little fishies, okay? Here's the big fishy. Holy shit, that's a big fish. That's one big fish. Look at the sharks here. Look at these two freaking fish up there. Like, were they chilling up there or something? They hanging out? They're sitting back watching YouTube? What? Subscribe to my channel. Look at that little fish. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's coming right toward us. Look. Holy shit. What's up, guys? How you doing?
Good.
How's your trip so far?
It's
Great, great, great.
Is it like your first day here?
Yes. Yes, first day.
How did your flight get in?
Yesterday, last night. Yes.
So you haven't like walked around with like.
Yes.
Nice. That's cool. Are you gonna are you planning to go on slides and stuff like
I
that?
already did this one already, though.
Is that fun? Oh.
It was awesome.
Leap of faith or this one?
No, this one right here.
Oh,
The Leap of
surfing?
Faith is a different one. I'm gonna do that tomorrow.
You should try that one. It's really fun.
Yeah, have to get a nice little something for the camera
Yeah.
while I go down, and as I'm coming out from the other side.
They sell one like.
They sell the little plastic things over there?
Yeah, for your camera.
Alright, cool. See those freaking fish up there? They're just chilling, having a party right now. I have no idea what the hell they're doing right now. They're just sitting there planning something. They're planning to like attack people from below. They just don't know how to get into the glass. They're trying to figure something out. So I think they're trying to suck their way through there. I'm watching you two fish. I'm watching you. Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. All right.
We'll all subscribe.
Yes. Cool. Cool.
You wanna do? I'ma be up in that mail-list, flicks doing one-handed flicks, and I'ma be sipping on vodka. I'ma be shaking my head. I'ma be licking your head. I'ma be taking everything.
Oh boy. For those of you girls out there that are liking on me, hating on me, just love me. I'm solid, Jeffro. You cannot hate this.
What was it? Huh?
I gotta try this slide out. This is like erases your time and shit. Check this shit out. How many seconds say in there? 5.10 seconds, and you know it's 5.32 seconds. Let's see who's gonna race. Yep, that's what she said. Wow, look at that sensor, keeps on going. Keeps on going. This is the adult section of the pool. It's like a fucking casino over here. We got some games over here. Yeah, I love it. I love it. So now I'm gonna be coming here, playing all my games and shit, and win all that money, baby. That's what I'm gonna do. That's how you gotta do it, baby. Guy was looking at me. He said, "Don't look at me with my girl. I'm gonna beat you up." I said, "How can I? Where the fuck am I? I have no idea where I'm at right now. I am bugging out. They told me to go straight. I'm going straight. Oh no. I know where I'm at. Thank the Lord. Thank the heavens."
12 seconds later.
What's up in the morning, laddies? What's up, bros? How's it going, bros? My name is Silent Jeffro, not PewDiePie, okay? Anyways. Okay. Let's get this party started. Oh, we are going on a little adventure today. Ow, my fucking ear. And going on the beach. Because the beach is the nice place to go to. Alright, so. So we got people on a parachute ride. Let's check that out. Look at that shit. You think I could do that? Oh hell no! I don't think so, because my ass will be screaming like hell. Say what? Home at last. Nice view. Ooh. Nice view indeed. So, and for those of you who are probably saying, "Oh yeah, I was looking at a butt crack," maybe. Yeah, the beach is freaking awesome. Just walking along the shoreline or shore, whatever. We gotta find the folks. Oh, speaking of folks, I found my father, and he looks like burnt toast. He looks like French toast. He is blacker than anything else in life. Say hello. Damn! That's my father, everyone. He's retired. Alright? He has nothing else better to do. Just sit out here and enjoy nature. That's right. Yeah.
Maybe I should have took my sandals off. My sandals look like they wanted to get away from me. That's not right, dude.
What's up over there, over the horizon? Probably an endless cycle of sand, which I probably wouldn't want to go. We're trapped. We have nowhere else to go. We're trapped here forever. I don't mind it. Time to take some snapshots. Look who I found. I found the corporate right there. Get over here. Get. You son of a bitch. Get over here, you fucker.